Well, look what showed up yesterday. It's my 2026-2027 Microsoft MVP disc. For those not aware, Microsoft awards MVP status for contributions to the community. So for me, that's the Excel community. So things like my YouTube videos, blog posts, speaking at events, that kind of thing. Although I've been doing Excel training for over 30 years, I became an MVP back in January 2024. It's not a lifetime award though. To stay in the programme, you have to reapply every single year. And the MVP team reviews your application and decides whether you've done enough to earn another 12 months. And thankfully, this year they decided I had. So let's have a look at it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it open with scissors, the envelope that is, because that is easier. And, ooh, comes in a little box. Slide the box out. And there we go. Microsoft Most Valuable Professional. Let's open it up. And what have we got? We have got little stickers by the look of it, I think they're stickers. And we've got, ooh, that's nice, a little badge. Get that to the camera. And this, that is the disc there. So what we do is we take the award trophy and we slot the disc in the place there. It just slides down there and there we go. So I now have 2024, 2025, 26 and 2026, 27. So that can go back on the shelf. And that was it, the unboxing of my MVP disc.